if you want to live in a property that is well connected with nature but also not too far away from the city, then this property is perfect for you as it is very close to the airport, Sakinaka metro station, and many other prime spots. So this is a 2 BHK apartment whose carpet area is approximately over 770 square feet. So when we look at the living dining section, यहाँ पर your living and dining section combined is over 250 square feet. So like I said earlier, this property is very close to nature as well. So when you're sitting here with your family and you're just relaxing, then you're overlooking the lovely skyline of Mumbai, and you can just soak in all the goodness, all the greenery, all the nature vibes over here. So this will be a really nice place for you to just relax and unwind. So over here you will have your dining section where you can host up to a 4 to 5 seater dining set very easily. So this house is really good for families who are nuclear, and yeah, this is a really nice space for them. So over here is your kitchen, where let's go into the kitchen first. So the kitchen has plenty of space. So combine this kitchen with the dry area is approximately 100 square feet. So when you get the flat, you will get 2 parallel countertops, which are granite, I guess. Yeah. So over here you have your dryer section also, जहाँ पर you can keep your washing machine, and you can dry your clothes and all of that stuff. So right here is your first bedroom. This is your guest bedroom. So over here you can have a nice study space. You can keep your bed, your belongings, everything will fit here very nicely. And from here also you will have a really nice view. So right now though I cannot show you, but you will have a really nice view, I assure you that. So over here is your common washroom, where the bed and dry is separated in this one, and right here is your master bedroom, which comes with an attached washroom as well. So from here also you will have a really nice view, like I said. So this is a very nice space. It is very comfortable, and after a long day of work you can just relax here with your loved one, with your partner or anything. So you can just chill, you can watch some television, you can just be on your phone, and overall this will be a really nice space for you after a long work day. So if you want to know about what all amenities you will get here, what kind of flats you will be receiving, so stay tuned till the end of this video. So this property is spread out in 2.39 acres of freehold land in Sakinaka, Andheri East, and here you will get 5 towers of 16 stories each. And for your parking, you will get 1 level of basement parking, 2 levels of podium parking, and stilt parking as well. So per floor you will have 4 flats with 2 lifts, and all the flats are fully Vastu compliant as well, so you don't need to worry about that. So when it comes to amenities, you're getting 25 plus amenities, which includes a swimming pool, a gym, a clubhouse, a garden area. Also the USP, one of the USPs is that they are building a 7,500 square feet mini forest for you, where you can take your morning walks and your evening walks, and it will truly be a very magical space. So these are the cool things which you're getting in this property. So when we talk about the flats that you will be getting over here, you will get 1, 2 and 3 BHK flats, where the 1 BHK carpet area starts at 450 plus, and the all-inclusive price is 1 crore 50 lakhs. So this all-inclusive price includes 1 year of maintenance, GST, car parking, everything. So 2 BHK, the carpet area is over 740 square feet, and the starting price is at 2 crore 35 lakhs, and 3 BHK is over 980 square feet, and the all-inclusive price again is 3 crore 15 lakh rupees. Also you will get Jodi options here as well, and this is relatively low density project, so your quality is assured over here. So according to RERA, the possession date of this property is of December 2025. But the builder commits that you will get it around March of 2025 itself. And the payment plan is an 80-20 payment plan. So 10% you have to pay during the time of registration. After that you have to pay 10%, and the rest 80% you have to pay during the time of possession. So if you're interested, then we can get you the best deal possible if you obviously make a booking through us, and you have to contact us on the number given in the description box below for that. And all of this will be done while charging you zero brokerage fee. So if you like this property, of course, reach out to us, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you can see the best properties in India.